Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on POCO M6 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and go to manage your Google account. Now click on data and privacy, and now you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. And then click continue, and now you have to enter your passkey. Now scroll down again and check these two checkboxes and click delete account. And now your account has been deleted, so now let's recover your account. So for example, open Google Play Store and click sign in. Now you have to enter your email. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's recover this account by clicking next. And now enter your password. And now you can click I agree. Then click accept. And I'm logged in again into my Google account, and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.